I need to come up with a name for this. Back to Self-Taught Thoughts. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 12 essential skills everyone must have. Now, these are skills that you should have in your back pocket at any time to pull out, whether you're in a dire situation or you need to impress that girl that you like. Here we go.
Skill number 1. Boiling water / cooking an egg. These two go hand in hand as the most important skills in the kitchen. If you don't know the basics, then you'll never be able to learn. Skill number 2. Changing a tire / jump-starting a car. If you're ever stuck on the side of the road with a flat or a battery that won't start, you're going to need to know how to change your tire and jump-start your car. Skill number 3. Riding a bike. It's like riding a bike. The only saying where you have to have actually ridden a bike in order to understand. Skill number 4. Playing cards. Knowing how to play cards is a necessity when going into any social situation. Skill number 5. Driving a manual car. Manual cars are the pinnacle moment in car history. If you know how to drive a manual car, you'll be able to drive any car. Skill number 6. Parallel parking. Knowing how to parallel park is a given. You have to basically parallel park on your driver's test, so knowing how to use it in your daily life is very important. Skill number 7. Tying a tie. Knowing how to tie a tie is a passage into adulthood. It separates boy from man and girl from woman. Wearing a tie makes you look more professional. Skill number 8. Grilling. Knowing how to grill will give you the necessary skills to be able to cook any meat and be known as the grill master. Skill number 9. Cleaning your house. Knowing how to clean your house makes your life easier. If your house is clean, you'll be happier. It's scientifically proven. Skill number 10. Administering first aid. Knowing how to administer first aid should be common sense. If you have a problem, you should know how to fix it. Skill number 11. Swimming. Swimming prepares your body for harsh conditions and allows you to be able to hold your breath longer. Skill number 12. Dressing properly. Knowing how to dress properly is good for fitting in. If you wear a suit to a pool party, you will be sure not to fit in.
Each of these skills are important in their own way. I'm going to leave you with 2 parting words of wisdom. The first is by Benjamin Franklin. He said, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn." The second is related to this, and it is by Richard Branson. "You don't learn to walk by following rules. You learn by doing and by falling over." This means that if you fail, you must try again. No matter how many times I've failed at learning, I've gotten back up and tried harder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more awesome content. Leave a comment in the comment section below for a chance to be featured. Turn on bell notifications to be the first to receive notifications about our awesome content. Until next time.